You ready? Huh?
I'm ready.
Freddie?
Yeah, you want me to start now?
You ready, Freddie? Okay. Give me a couple little revs. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, now this thing sings now. So we're about to go to the port store and cover these up so it won't have no vacuum leaks, no check engine lights. And I'm gonna tell Pat, and we're gonna go from there. So we'll talk to y'all in just a little bit. All right, you ready to hear it?
It sounds way better.
Yeah, I know.
But we need to just get that tune right.
No, we just, well, let me see. When we start riding, I'll plug it up and we'll see. I'll plug HP Tuners up because she's on a check engine light, but it's probably because of that vacuum. So I'm gonna pull it and see, and then we'll go from there. All right, so it's starting a check engine light. Plus, I don't have the second tune that Pat sent. So I'm finna go ahead and upload this real fast.
See if that changes anything.
It probably won't, because it has much more air mass coming in now. So I'm gonna call Pat and just be like, hey, is there something that I can band-aid real quick? Us putting this cold air intake on to keep the check engine light off. I mean, you're fine. You just won't be able to automatic start it. I mean, hell, you don't do that now anyway.
Why won't I be able to auto start? Because the check engine light is on. And it won't let me do it. Okay.
Do not write. So I'm not gonna rewrite the transmission. I'm just gonna write the code to the engine. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so we're going on the first maiden voyage. Man, that freaking isolator sounds horrible. It's like clunk, 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 clunk. I know I'm lame as hell. Alright, y'all, we're going on the first little maiden voyage. I mean, y'all can probably see yourselves right there. I know that's weird, but it is throwing some codes, but it's probably because of that vacuum leak. So we're gonna go get that done real quick. And here we go. Jazz, fix your mirror real quick. That one, yeah. Oh, nope, up, right to your left. Towards me. Hold on, let me turn. Wow, that made a really big difference. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone. Okay, turn over this way so they can hear it. Bro, this thing whining. Woo, shit.
It is whining. It sounds good. Now I'm just ready to do the exhaust now.
Oh man. Yes. Hobby. Listen real quick. You hear that? That's Jasmine's blower. It's got a cold air intake on it now. Well, them Bro, do you got any rubber nipples? No, for like vacuum hoses. Where you at? Do he have some at the shop? But you at the shop over there by like close to QT? Okay, well look, we're gonna pull up over there. Yeah, what the fuck did he do? It's probably that trash ass tune he had. I know. That has to be mechanical there. Bro, like it's just knocking though, right? Okay, well y'all need to pull the motor apart, man, and I'm pretty sure it's just bearings. Yeah. Hold on. No, bro. Now say that over again.
Taking off those goddamn fans on the V, bro.
I know, bro. It's like 10 bolts, ain't it?
Bro, it's like everything's in the way, bro.
Everything is in the way.
What are you talking about?
Taking the fan out. You saw how close the fan was to the car intake.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen that.
Bro, how wide is the array? Is it a 4-inch?
Mine is, yeah.
Yeah, we got a 4.5. Ha ha.
Huh?
Yeah.
You gonna pull up or what?
Yeah, we finna pull up.
Alright, bro, come through.
Alright.
Alright, later.